What is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Twilight the Spirit Wolf. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing this really funny prank on Farm World on Roblox. I love doing this. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around by where there are some animals, and I'm just going to click the sleep animation. So it'll look like I'm dead. Here, see. That looks like I'm dead. And then we're gonna wait to see what happens. And then as soon as somebody says something, then I'm gonna turn into a cat. And it's gonna be really funny. I do this all the time. It's really funny. So be sure to watch to the end. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe. And so we're just gonna wait. There. Let's do that. Let's see what this thing does. Let's see what this little ferret does. Apparently nothing. This is funny. It's funny already. So we're just gonna wait. It's like that. I'm gonna get up, and then I'm gonna walk. Might do it in the barn if someone's in the barn, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna look around for people. Look around for other animals. Really, I'm slow. Although last time I tried doing this, I was on the same server. So, yeah. And nothing happened. So, this might not work on this server, and I have to join a different server to do it. What the heck? Oh, here's an idea. There! Let's see what happens now. As you can see, looks like I'm kind of dead. No, I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm not carrying you, I'm dead. Wait. I'm not carrying you, I'm dead. Now, are you gonna do something? Okay, I'm not dead. Oh wait, maybe they're getting help. Maybe the whole guy's getting help. Oh, I'm gonna go outside a bit. Well, there's actually more people. More people there. There's that horse. Snowflake. I'm just gonna wander around and... Oh, here we go. Walk by the dogs. This will work. Which reminds me, if you hear anything that sounds like an actual dog barking, that's my dog, so you can ignore him. Why is that dog just sitting on my side? So one of them is changing their avatar, and the other one's not doing anything. Which I actually have the border collie on a different account. So, which is why sometimes I'll play on a different account. Yeah. So, we're just gonna see what happens. We're just gonna wait. Yeah. We're gonna... Okay, you can ignore my Skype. Because... Alright, let's see what they do. Let's see what the dogs do. This is funny. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. That's depressing. They're gonna leave me here? What if this wasn't a prank? What if the old grandma was actually dead? Okay, so we're gonna move over here. Okay, I just have seasonal allergies, which are bothering me. But I'll be fine. So I'm going to walk over here and see. Because I know they'll be able to see me over here. So we're just gonna... Yeah, we're gonna do that. Boy! Boy! That horse just stepped on me. Boy! Are you kidding? Okay, fine. Do it the difficult way. Really? Why? Why? This is not working. This is not going according to plan. This really is not going according to plan. So, you know what? That's it. I'm moving somewhere else. I'm gonna move somewhere else and do this. Let's see, there's a horse over here. I'm gonna have to join the more popular server. Let's see, how many people are in here? But this is a popular server. Where is everybody? I mean, there's actually a lot of people on here. Well, okay. So much for that. There. I'm just gonna lay here and wait. So I'll get back to you as soon as somebody actually comes. I might have to join a different server if this doesn't work. Okay, so I might have to join a different server because this one's not working. They're not doing anything on this one, so yeah, it's a problem. So we are now in a different server, and I'm at the farm. So we're gonna see if this works. Which it better. I'm gonna be sad if it doesn't because I love doing this. I always do it. So, yeah. I'm gonna come over here where where there are actual animals. I can't even go in the chicken coop. Oh. So I can't go in the chicken coop, which is sad, because I actually want to. Okay, so there's that cat there that's like not even doing anything. And we've got a horse. Beautiful. Why is that horse's name Shadow? This is already funny. I like doing this prank. So, yeah. I just like doing this. So, yeah. My name is Minerva. I'm here. From Harry Potter. Minerva McGonagall. Why is this horse eating me? So, yeah, we're gonna just wait. So the horse just asked, you okay? So again. This prank only works with the senior humans, though. They're ruining the prank. I have to make them think I'm dead. The one horse is just laughing. Okay, I can't spell. It doesn't work. As you can see, I need them to think that I'm dead in order for this to work. So, I'm gonna turn into a cat really quick. So, I am ready to turn into a cat. So, let's go ahead and turn into the cat. Okay, so this only records for like 15 minutes, I think. So, I'm gonna have to end the video soon. So, yeah. And I don't really have an outro. So, be sure to subscribe if you're new. And hope you enjoyed this lovely prank of mine. I'm such a genius.